Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, remember that the link to purchase the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This innovative upgrade transforms your Hyte Y70 gaming PC case by integrating a stunning 14.9-inch IPS touchscreen right into the front panel, delivering a unique blend of functionality and style. The display boasts a sharp 2.5K resolution, 682 by 2560, with 178 pixels per inch, providing crystal-clear visuals that are 43 brighter than previous versions. Running at 60 Hz with 10-point capacitive touch support, it offers smooth responsiveness and precise control, making it perfect for interacting directly with your PC or customizing your setup. One of the standout features is the extensive customization enabled by the Hyte Nexus software. Users can personalize their display with a wide array of themes, widgets, and interactive elements, turning the screen into a hub for system monitoring, media control, or even social media updates. This level of integration not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also adds practical value to your gaming or workstation environment. On the downside, the 60 Hz refresh rate, while sufficient for most tasks and casual interaction, may feel limiting for users seeking ultra-smooth animations or gaming directly on the touchscreen. Additionally, installation requires some technical know-how, as it involves integrating the screen kit into the existing PC case setup. In summary, the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to elevate their case with a bright, high-resolution touchscreen that offers both beauty and utility. Don't forget, the link to grab this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out and enhance your PC experience today.